I am back with a new video. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. People constantly ask me, how you do your eyebrows? How you get your eyebrows like this? I've been doing my eyebrows since my junior year in high school. A young lady in my English class, she was doing her eyebrows. And I was like, you know what? I want eyebrows just like hers. So I was like, can you show me? She's like, yeah. So all you will need is this eyebrow pencil. I purchased mine from my local beauty supply. You guys can get it at the dollar store. But I get this at my local beauty supply. It's literally $1.06. And it's the auto one. It's really good. I love it because I do my brows every day. I cannot see myself purchasing an eyebrow pencil for like $30. That's just me. I'm not saying anything's wrong with that. But for someone that does their eyebrows every day, yeah. I don't wear makeup every day. I just wear makeup when I'm going out or when I'm doing a YouTube video. I do my eyebrows every day, but there's like no makeup, just my eyebrows being done. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to use this eyebrow pencil. It's very simple. You literally just need, like, if you're not wearing makeup, you just need your eyebrow pencil and your fingers. And you'll see why. But if you are using, if you do apply makeup on your face, you will need eyebrow pencil. Just $1, or you guys can use, well, you guys can use whatever eyebrow pencil, but I'm just telling you guys can get an eyebrow pencil, get your eyebrows looking like this. And a concealer brush. It's kind of dirty because I just put some other. You can use any type of concealer. I just like this concealer because it's close to my skin tone. So yeah, that's if you're applying makeup on and you want your eyebrows to look like this. Your eyebrows still will look like this without any makeup. Trust me. As I do my eyebrows, I line it up from the bottom. I usually don't have my lashes on, so I'm going to be raising my eyebrows, but that's not how I usually do it. I usually put my makeup on, and then I do my eyebrows second to last, and then I add my lashes. So now I'm just lining the bottom, so if my eyes are bulging, sorry. And I'm just looking at the mirror behind the camera. Just lining it out. And as you guys can see, there's barely any eyebrow right here. This is why I always have my eyebrows filled in, because I be looking like a ghost. So this is going to be my arch, and now I'm just going to bring it down. As you can see, my eyebrows are not done. Like I said, we're in quarantine. But I usually razor cut my eyebrows, but I'm going to show you how I clean it up. And this is all I do, and I just add one more line in the inside. And I don't put too much pressure to the eyebrow pencil. This time we're doing the second brow. Just going to line it up. That's going to be my arch. And I add a middle part, and then the top. And then I bring it down just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna fill it in. Just a little bit. Don't put pressure to the pencil, because you don't want your eyebrows to be too dark. Because I am using a black color. Now we're gonna use our empty mascara brush, our clean mascara brush. You can get this at your beauty supply, Amazon, anywhere that they have it. I'm just brushing it in. Brushing it in. Sorry for the facials. Just see. And now I'm going to do this side. Just brushing it in. This brow doesn't have too much, doesn't have too many little hairs in the front as the left brow, but you'll see. I'm gonna try to make it look like it. Sorry, my hair keep getting in the way. I was trying to look cute because, you know, I was looking crazy without my brows. So I was like, let me pop on a wig and do the thing. Color chestnut. And just a little bit. I usually don't use this. This is how I usually just do my brows, and I'll use my fingers to clean my brows or a toothpick to clean my brows. I just dab it with water and just clean my brows. But since I have makeup, I want it to look a little bit better, so I just add a little bit. And I always say your eyebrows are supposed to be 2 fingers apart. And now I just go right under. Just a little bit. You just squeeze a little bit of the concealer, and that's your arch. Not too much. And just here. Oh, that has a little bit. And that's your other arch. I never really add to the top. And I'll just take my brush. It's kind of dirty because I was just doing my makeup to do this video. And I just brush it, brush it. I'm thinning this area just so it can look like there's hair, even though we all know there's no hair in there. You see how clean it look? And you could just do that to clean that part too. And now we're gonna do the same for here. This literally takes 2 minutes to do, just 2 minutes. 1 minute for one brow, the other minute for the other brow. Took a little longer because I wanted to show you guys step by step. And I can see the concealer a little bit, so I'm gonna do this. You guys don't have to do that, but I'm gonna use my finger and just dab it just so it could blend in a little bit. And that's good. And I'm just gonna add a little bit mascara. You guys don't have to add mascara, but I just want that little stiffness just right here. And I'm just using L'Oreal. Start from here, not here, just here. And just scoop it. And also here, scoop it. And that is it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that notification bell to get notified whenever time I post my videos. So I really hope you guys like this video. Bye.